Hola chicos, I'm in the House of Slaves right now. The guide just told us a lot about it. It's a little windy, I hope you can hear me. This is the room where the men stayed. Look how small it is. That tiny window. Another small room. There were 20 to 30 people in here. They stayed for about 3 months before they were put. This is the women's room. Three months before they were put in the boats to go to the Americas. This was the virgin women's room. They got a different room. They cost a lot. The same as a sturdy male, they said. This is a room of men. This is one of kind of the cell restraint place where if someone wasn't behaving they went in there. There's no light or anything. And then here's the door of no return. We also learned that the traders, the Europeans, they actually stayed upstairs. So people were sleeping upstairs while slaves were sleeping downstairs, and they knew what was going on, but they just slept up here without thinking twice about it. It's a museum now. They said that they gave guns and weapons, the Europeans gave guns and weapons to different tribes in Africa, and they would fight each other, and they would actually get slaves of each other. And the only payment that the Europeans took were actually a payment in the form of slaves. So they were kind of doing the work for them. And they said even if they beat the other tribe, often they were captured as slaves as well. So yeah, my heart is like, I want to throw up. It's just, what a really terrible part of our history. So that's where they left to. This is in French, but let's see if I can read it to you. It says there was 500 Negro slaves on the Spanish boat La Amistad, which means the friendship. It says suicide was common and more prevalent in the captives, and the female captives from Solai. They also had chain them with big heavy iron balls in case they wanted to jump overboard, that they would definitely sink. So this is where the other people, the traders, stayed, and they had a fireplace, and wow, it's quite the feeling here.